Hi everyone, it's Andy from Finlingo, and today we're going to be looking at the CFA Total Recall app, which you can download from the Apple App Store for your iOS devices and your M1 Apple computer, and hopefully by the time you see this video also from the Google Play Store for your Android device or tablet. Now today we're going to try to calculate the future value which has been continuously compounded. Now it doesn't happen that often in the real world that you get continuous compounding, but it does appear regularly on CFA exams as a question, so we need to be able to answer that. Now it's nice and straightforward with a calculator here. So how do we do it? Let's go down then to reading 6. Let's go down to that question there, which is the future value of an invested sum with continuous compounding. So let's take a look at the help. So we've got this equation here. It doesn't probably make much more sense in an example just coming up. We do have an example question for you there in the help before you tackle your first question, and then just do as many questions as you can to burn in the technique. So what we got here: Hong Kong Bank offers to pay you 9% continuously compounded. You decide to put in 28,000 euros for 7 years. So let's go to the calculator then. So we've got 9%, so we're going to go 9 divided by 100, 0.09, and then we're going to multiply that by 7, following the equation that was in the help. And then we just do a log e of that. So it's going to be we do the exponential of this. There's going to be second ex. That's now our continuously compounded factor. So multiply that by the 28,000. And that gives us 52,573.0962. What's the closest thing to that? I think it's the B, isn't it? The B is the 2 decimal version of my 5 decimal answer there. So get fingers crossed. Let's just cross those little fingers and press yes. There we go. So there's the equation again. Hopefully that will make some kind of sense the more you do this. And there we have it. We've got the correct answer. Our little blue bar has moved along. So if we get 10 of these, we'll get a nice little star, which means we can move on. But do these until these things burn into your brain. Let's try one more. Nice and straightforward once you've got the hang of it. So Singaporean Bank, 7%, 43,000, just 1 year this time. So let's not worry about dividing by 100. So 0.07 for your interest rate. Multiply by 1. Multiply by 1, I can't believe it. And then we're going to do the exponential of that. Second exponential, and then multiply by 43,000. And that gives us 46,117.85179, which is the answer C, isn't it? So let's just click on C. Cross fingers, I'm pretty sure this is right, but let's do it again. There we have it. So that is how to do the future value of an invested sum with continuous compounding using a financial calculator. Let's just take a look at one more question for you to do for homework. Can you figure that one out? Can you do it in about 5 keystrokes in about 10 seconds? If you can, you've saved a lot of time for more difficult questions later on. I'll see you next time.